Hello, welcome to KFW. I'm your commentator, Slash. And we have a match tonight for Reggie the Wolf and the United States Native American champion and half Money in the Bank Tornado. And first coming out, Reggie the Wolf. Reggie the Wolf! Hold on, wait, we having some difficulties. Hello, this is your commentator, Slash. Well, I want to say, Reggie the Wolf. Reggie the Wolf! Okay, next person. And he's half Native American champion. And he is the Money in the Bank Tornado. Tornado! See this? Mine now. Let's get it. So tonight, it will be Reggie the Wolf versus Tornado.
For what? For what?
The KFW Championship belt. Yeah, that's right. And guess what? This is your commentator, Slash, and I'm recording this. Are y'all ready? Ding, ding, ding. Okay, they both getting ready. Oh, wait, what was it? Oh, that's a pin. One.
Why are we sitting backstage?
Oh, that clothesline. Oh, back to the back. Oh.
Ready?
Oh, Reggie Wolf got the pin. By the pin. 1, 2, kick out.
Ready to win.
Oh, wait, we have a commentator from the internet. The special guest ref is Sekar the Wolf.
And Flame the Wolf.
Oh, here comes Flame the Wolf. Wait.
Get out. No, get out. Stop, you can't play. This is 1-1 match. Hey.
Sorry, little man.
That sucks.
Oh, good gosh.
Everybody can tell they faking.
Shut the hell. Oh, he went under.
I didn't play that way.
Oh, close one. Close one. 1, 2.
We got the chance.
Stop.
I want to kick.
Oh, DDT.
No.
Face first.
Kick his.
Oh, rope.
That was a real hit. I saw that.
Oh. And Sin Cara is cheering for Reggie. Oh! Ho, ho, ho! that? Is that? Oh! 1, 2. Oh, that was almost a count. Oh, do you tap? Do you tap? Power up. 1, 2, 3.
I can't believe Reggie.
Oh, knees are good. Oh, tornado reverse. What? Is he acting like the Viper? Oh, this is his finisher. Oh, Reggie the Wolf. I don't know how he's going, but knee to the gut. What are you gonna do? Oh, planner. 1, 2. Oh, kick out. Oh.
Boy, they dropping it like it's hot. We gonna win this.
Oh, Reggie will about to go for a signet. Oh, leg breaker. Oh, bop. Oh. Oh. This is getting serious right now. Oh. Oh, well, he's going for. Oh. Reggie will. Oh. 1, 2. Wait, power rope. Oh, knee to the head.
You need some $5.
Reggie was showing off. Oh, kick to the face.
I got 55.
Where is this going? Oh, tornado child hold. Oh, punch to the face. Oh, oh. Reversed by Reggie the Wolf. Oh, clothesline.
Wait, no, they at home.
Oh, Reggie, show off. Oh, knee to the side. Oh, this is really pain. Oh, Reggie whooping. Power up. 1, 2, 3. 1. He was on the ropes.
Marco, pack my jacket.
Oh.
Bad idea.
He's going for it. Oh.
I'm glad they just on trampoline, right?
1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Here's your winner.
Yeah.
And the new KFW champion.